Le départ, bonjour, Air France 57 Juliette Juliette, on passe 3500 pieds en montée 90 sur un indiqueur Cessna.
Air France 57 Juliette Juliette, bonsoir, identifié, montée niveau de vol 150, 150.
On monte vers le niveau 150 Air France 57 Juliette Juliette.
Cecilia Alpha Golf, wind 250 degrees, 28 ready to take off.
This takeoff 28 is clear.
Taxi 83 Papa X-ray, contact Swiss radar 124, decimal 225, over.
124, decimal 225, Taxi 83 Papa X-ray, over.
Cecilia Alpha Golf, contact departure, bye-bye.
To departure, clear.
Pursuit Quebec Kilo, wind 280 degrees, 3 knots, runway 28 ready to take off.
Clear takeoff, runway 28, 2 Quebec Kilo.
Six Liner 7 Alpha Tower, hello, line up runway 28. Six Liner 7 Alpha Tower, hello, line up right.
That's 697 Alpha.
Amazon 80, target to Echo 2, are you ready?
Echo 2 with 1 and we need 0
That's a departure. Hello, Cessna 60, we expect
2 Quebec Kilo, contact departure, bye-bye.
to departure, Quebec Kilo.
Bridge 8 Hotel Victor, hello, get the Global Express, land right behind.
Yeah, Global Express, land around yeah,
Higher 0, crossing 3000.
Global Express 6 Bravo Victor, continuing at 85, not flying level 15 still.
Flight like a 150 and the 6 hours.
Air France 57 Juliette, contactez Suite Radar 134,0
and then left on to Alpha,
Other mosquito 103, initially descent flight level 80, report ready to cancel.
Starting 80 reporting ready, I know it.
Not runway 28 ready to take off. Zulu Kilo, hello, you have company ahead, line up runway 28.
What's up there, Toga? So when you send, you make sure you are on the right altitude. You're not hitting the mountain, especially at night. It's all via the ILS and localizer. Handles all that. If you lock in your localizer like we have right now, it's doing it all by itself. It's going to the right altitude for every waypoint that's crossing right now due to the localizer and the ILS. As long as you have that programmed, you're set, man. You're set, right? You're good to go. All right, the computer in FMC is going to make sure you descend to the right altitude at every single waypoint. That's it. Yep. So that's a good question, though. Yep. But that's how you maintain that, man. Just follow the plan, you know, that's on the maps, and make sure your FMC's programmed accordingly, and your computer will bring you down exactly how it should bring you down. Aligned right in the middle of these mountains, across the right altitude, and just make sure you have the right speed set, and you're good to go.
Mental health check, wallet on me check, another day check, put them in check, spliffs on me check, we got it on deck, checks on check, on to the next, mental health check, wallet on me check.
Alright folks, once we hit minimums, we're going to go ahead and take it off of autopilot and manually bring her in.
Got it on deck, checks on check, on to the next.
Probably need to do a curve out right now once we hit a minimum, just coming up right now. Take off autopilot really soon here. All right, we're taking off autopilot, folks.
Okay.
Turn her slightly.
180, reference 200 degrees, 4 knots, 16, clear to take off. 30 to the big deck, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going to turn her back
Hotel Zulu,
slightly. Line up the runway. There's a runway right in front of us. Bring her in.
What I sold, that's what I'm doing, cousin. Keeping to my own, not how I'm moving, cousin. Black Emperor, open the cash register. Running sales back to back peddlers. How can I help you? How can I shelf you?